In a small city in Vietnam, amongst the limestone peaks, lived Lloyd, a culinary virtuoso whose passion for cooking knew no bounds. One day, he embarked on a quest to concoct the epitome of curry powder, a blend that would harmonize a symphony of flavors, each spice a unique instrument in the culinary orchestra. First on his list were the coriander seeds, offering a grounding earthiness to the blend. He toasted them to unlock their nutty richness, a precursor to the intricate dance of flavors yet to unfold. Next in line were the mustard seeds, bold and pungent, promising a robust kick to the taste buds. Lloyd admired their resilience as they sizzled and popped in the pan, releasing an invigorating fragrance that hinted at the spice's potent character. Cumin took center stage, its aromatic notes wafting through the air as Lloyd toasted the seeds. The spice's warm and slightly smoky essence promised to infuse the curry powder with a comforting depths. Turmeric, the golden luminary of the spice world, brought its vibrant hue and distinct warmth. Lloyd marveled at its ability to add both color and a mild bitterness, creating a visual and gustatory feast. Fenugreek seeds, with their subtle bitterness, were carefully added. Lloyd appreciated their role in balancing the symphony, offering a gentle counterpoint to the more assertive spices. Green cardamom pods, fragrant and floral, were next in line. Lloyd crushed them, releasing their intoxicating aroma, a promise of the delicate complexity they would contribute to the final blend. Black peppercorns, bold and assertive, made their presence known. Lloyd admired their ability to provide a spicy kick, elevating the curry powder with their robust flavor. Bay leaves, with their aromatic essence, joined the ensemble, infusing a subtle herbal undertone. Lloyd envisioned them as the conductor, guiding the symphony towards a harmonious culmination. Fennel seeds, sweet and licorice-like, brought a touch of indulgence to the blend. Lloyd toasted them lightly, preserving their delicate sweetness to complement the array of flavors. Chili peppers, fiery and intense, added a dash of heat. Lloyd carefully selected and crushed them, ensuring they would contribute a measured spice that danced on the taste buds without overwhelming. Finally, cloves, with their intense and warm aroma, completed the ensemble. Lloyd added them sparingly, appreciating their ability to impart depth and a hint of sweetness to the final creation. As Lloyd meticulously blended each spice, he marveled at the kaleidoscope of aromas and flavors before him. The resulting curry powder, a testament to his artistry, would soon become a legend, drawing connoisseurs from far and wide to savor the magic he had woven into this culinary masterpiece.